as we all know, under current market background. It needs the machine that can handle complex technologies with faster respond. Therefore, multi-axis synchronous control is not enough for EtherCAT control system, especially in those advanced equipment. For example, Delta, SCARA, 5-axis linked, etc. The customers not only need multi-axis synchronization, multi-axis interpolation, but also require real-time communication, flexible EtherCAT periods. What's more, the platform must be enough open to make programming easier, deployment quicker, expansion and upgrade more convenient. In a word, achieve true integration between motion, I/O, communication, and upper development. Consider this market trendency. Zmotion launch 1 master motion controller ZMC600M, which supports Linux and ARM and EtherCAT at the same time. Its high integration brings you with one cost-effective solution. ZMC600M can only use one cable to complete control, communication, and data interaction. It supports high-speed I/O, and there are shared data memory and real-time task priority functions, which ensures stable and fluent real-time communication. In addition, ZMC600M can reach the ideal effect in these 4 parts: control performance, system openness, hardware cost, installment space.